Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The perimeter and area of the parallelogram ABCD above are 30 centimeter and 40 square centimeter respectively. If AB equals to 10 centimeter, then what is the length of AE? Okay, the perimeter of the parallelogram ABCD above is given, that is 30 centimeter, and its area is 40 square centimeter, and the length of the line segment AB is given, that is 10 centimeter. Then we have to find the length of this line segment AE. Okay, here let me mark the given length for AB, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, now let me consider the property of the parallelogram. That is, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Since the length of this side AB is 10 centimeter, and its opposite side DC also must be 10 centimeter. Let me mark it over here. And also let me assume the length of the side AD as X. Then what is the length of BC? That one also must be X, because these two sides are opposite and parallel. They must be equal in length. Okay, now let me consider the given information. There is a perimeter of the parallelogram is 30 centimeter. Let me write it over here. So perimeter equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, perimeter means we have to add the lengths of all the four sides. That is X, a positive 10, positive 10 equals to 30. When I combine the like terms over here, I'm getting 2x, positive 20 equals to 30. When I subtract 20 from both sides, I'm getting 2x equals to 10. When I divide both sides by 2, I'm getting x equals to 5. Okay, now I got the lengths of the sides AD and BC. Let me replace this x by the length what we got over here, that is 5. That means 5 means 5 centimeter. Here we have 5 centimeter. Here we have 5 centimeter. Okay, now let me consider the other piece of information in the question, that is area of the parallelogram ABCD is 40 square centimeter. Okay, let me write it over here. Area equals to 40 square centimeter. We know the formula to find area of a parallelogram, that is base times height equals to 40. Okay, so here this length AB represents the base of the parallelogram. So we know that the length of AB is 10 centimeter. That is, the base of the parallelogram is 10 centimeter. We can plug in 10 for base over here. Then I'm getting 10 times h equals to 40. When I divide both sides by 10, I'm getting h equals to 4. So now I got the height of the parallelogram, that is 4 centimeter. Actually, this line segment DE represents height of the parallelogram. Its length is 4 centimeter. Okay, our aim is to find the length of this line segment AE. Actually, this ADE is a right triangle because I have a right angle over here. In particular, this ADE is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, because the length of the hypotenuse, the side which is opposite to right angle, is hypotenuse. The length of the hypotenuse is 5 centimeter, and the length of one of the two remaining legs is 4. So then the length of the third leg must be 3. So because that's why I'm saying it's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Otherwise, we can use Pythagorean theorem to get the length of AE, but it's not required, because we know that the length of the hypotenuse is 5, and one of the legs is having the length 4. Then the length of the third leg, the third side of the right triangle must be 3. So therefore, the length of AE is 3 centimeter. We find 3 centimeter and answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.